How to deactivate Facebook account temporarily. Hey everyone, this is Susan from Create, Login and Delete, and now let's get started. So first of all, launch Facebook application on your phone. Now make sure that you are logged on to your profile that you want to deactivate. Now tap on this menu icon at the bottom right corner. Then just tap on the option of Settings and Privacy. Then tap on Settings here. Okay, let's wait for a while. Now just tap on See More in Account Settings. Just tap on OK here. Now, after you are in Account Center, just tap on Personal Details and then you can see the option of Account Ownership and Control. Just tap on it. OK, just tap on Deactivation or Deletion. After tapping on it, just tap on your Facebook name. Now over here, make sure that you have chosen the option of Deactivate Account and not Delete Account. So, deactivation of account is temporary while deletion of account is permanent. So, you cannot recover your account if you tap on Delete Account. So, just tap on Continue. Then, you have to enter your password here. Make sure that you remember your password. Now, after entering, just tap on Continue. Now, you'll see various options here. For now, I'm just gonna tap on This is temporary, I'll be back and tap on Continue. Now over here, just read all these informations and at the bottom you can see Automatically reactivate my account in. So you can choose this option according to your wish. You can also tap on Don't reactivate automatically, which means that you can reactivate your account by your own. Now just tap on Done and then simply tap on Continue. Now, you can also choose the option of Continue using Messenger by making a check mark on the option. But if you don't want the Messenger to be active, then you can simply unselect this option and then at last tap on Deactivate my account. Now, after selecting on this option, you will be logged out of your Facebook account and your Facebook will be temporarily deactivated. Now, if you want to reactivate your Facebook account, you can simply enter your phone number, email or password. So, this is it for today. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.